Hello and welcome to the video. I'm Michael. I'm currently the head of data and analytics at a mid-size-ish company in the Boston area. And I've been doing this for the last 5 to 7 years, basically data, and more data every single day. And lately I've come across a lot of people who want to get involved in a career in data. Because, data is just on the up and up and up and up, and it's super important in pretty much every sort of industry today. And this is what I'm going to make this channel about. I have one older video when I became a data scientist back in like 2019, 2017 is when I began. But it's kind of outdated, and I'm going to make a whole channel about basic data analytics stuff, data science stuff, data engineering stuff, getting your first job, kind of doing work flows with you, common issues that people come across. And the end goal is to create a channel that can be a one-stop shop to teach somebody who doesn't really know much or anything about data from becoming a beginner to getting a six-figure paying job in data, doing some sort of data, because data has a whole bunch of different niches. But before we go into all that, this is just a welcome video. So if this sounds remotely interesting to you in any degree, subscribe and follow along. It's going to be a process to get these videos out and going, but I think it's going to be very worthwhile. And I think it's going to be fun to do so along the way. So that's the spiel. If you are interested in data, or learning more about data, maybe you already are in data and just kind of want to follow along for the ride, hit subscribe, and there'll be a lot more videos coming.